I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous. My defense is impregnable. And I'm just ferocious. I want your heart. I want to eat your children. Praise be to Allah.
I hope he don't do it fast. I hope he take his time and just punish this fool when he talk. All right, it's going down. It's going down. Everybody sit down, sit down, sit down. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Here come Tyson in. Here come Tyson in. Look at that nigga. That nigga look mean as hell. Yeah. Big motherfucking Mike Tyson in this biatch. Yes. Death Row say so. Let's do it to him. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Where you 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 at? All they see is black venoms in my silhouette. Just watch the fear reappear in their eyes when I hit the set. Oh no, Tupac with Team Tyson seldom was seldom seen. I am Mike Cut's head like a guillotine. Time for some action. You making me high like Tony Braxton, but the switcher like Dennis Rodman. Still mashing. I put my hand up to God like it's hard filled with stress. Throwing blows in this square circle to see who's best. Mike don't hurt him. What they swing fake? What they need? Tyson put it work his head, touch the whole Coliseum. Better act up when I see him. We loud in the front row, hype up the crowd. If you don't like it, what you come for? All hell, 245 to play on the best stop. Ass kicked with the water like a shark's tail. See him struggling, may God help me bubble. Hit the ring, do my thing. All opposed feel trouble, get it on. Let's get ready to run, pal. Let's do this. Yeah, you know, let's get it on. Throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Where they at? Where they at? So what you want now? So what you want? What you want now? So what you want? What you want now? So what you want? Yeah, so what you want now? So what you want now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Hey, yo, Holyfield, you next. Right, left, to left, right. I see